I hope you're all enjoying the evening. We came on moon nunchi cheppindi cheppi randi babu randi wait ayivante naaku matram bore kottesindi. But I hope I turned out very well, and I'm glad we are all enjoying. I see a lot of new faces, new families in Vegas. Telugu families, welcome to the Telugu Beta family here. And I'm glad that I see a lot of senior community participation to this year. I'm glad they are here. Let me first of all thank the participants, the parents and the choreographers. I know what goes through it, how many hours of practice and everything goes into it. We'd like to thank you for all your efforts. Whatever programs we conduct, and you see a program, my face or Rajesh or Mohan face, it's not just one person's effort, and I hope you all realize that this is all team effort, and we all gel together to make each event very successful. So let me call my team first, starting Rajesh Mantri, Pawan Gudipati, Srinath Kodi, Ramdas Narsimlu, Ramdas sir,
Gabbar Singh,
Srinath, and this is Rajesh Mantri, and this is our new committee, and there are 3 folks we are inducted into our committee this year. Mohan Achanta, sorry, I forgot. Ramdas sir, wherever you are, can you come onto the stage? And this is our new team, folks. Big round of applause. They have been with us every event. Let me tell you something. My birthday parties, we won't be so tense. For every picnic or volleyball event or whatever it is, last minute we are on the phone calls to make sure that everything goes as planned. That is the effort we put in our that is the commitment we put in our whatever programs we do. It's all team effort. This is a team only. And apart from this, we have our executive committee. We will be behind you on every step. They are behind us. Let me start upon with our executive committee. Vijay Chejarla, wherever you are, please raise your hand. Vijay Chejarla, there you go. Tulsidas Sundara, Raj Sarvaji, wherever you are, Raj Sarvaji. Venu Talapragada, Ramdas Sarvaji, Ram Malipati, wherever you are, please raise your hand. There we go, Ram Malipati and Ram Matekunda. These are Ram Matekunda. These are all our executive members, and they all are behind us whenever we need any help or any kind of situation. And apart from these, we have our advisory board, and Venkat Garu is sitting there. Venkat Garu and Rajchandra Raj Garu. I think he's standing with Rajchandra Garu is there. A big round of applause for them too, please. I'll hold on to them. I need one more topic before they can go back to their assigned jobs. Apart from these, we have ladies' participation. We cannot forget that. Leading them is Lata Suwari. Wherever you are, there we go. Looks like she has more fan following than anyone else here. I don't know if it could be fan following or it could be booing. And Jyoti Reddy, Lata Suwari has been leading us with all the kids' activities and women activity. This year we couldn't have women's sports, but she has been always there, helped us always. And Jyoti Reddy and Tanuja Puvala, both of them have conducted the Batkama celebration service. Round of applause for them too. And Anupama Vimla, Anjana Ravi, they took care of the decorations team. Kamachi and Shirisha, they have also helped us in various activities. Please give a big round of applause to these ladies. And I'm forgetting Vani Chejarla. She has been with us for the Dosa Sal. She helped us a lot. And if I'm forgetting anyone else, I'm sorry, but we'd like to thank each and everyone. Before these folks leave here, let me tell you something. There are a lot of new folks here, new families here, and I'd like to clarify, give a small message. I know everyone doesn't like these speeches, and neither do I like the speeches, but the fast I'll clean the stage, I'll leave the stage. What I want to say was, usually ప్రతి పార్టీకి ప్రతి ఈవెంట్ మేము చేసిన వేటా వాళ్ళ పార్టీ, వేటా వాళ్ళ వాలీబాల్ టోర్నమెంట్, వేటా వాళ్ళ ఈవెంట్ అని చెప్పేసి వేటా వాళ్ళ ట్యాగ్ ఉంటుందండి. దిస్ నాట్ వేటా వాళ్ళ, వీఆర్ నాట్ any other organization. We are just representing you to just bring everyone to one stage. And I'll tell you a small 6 years back, ఇక్కడ వచ్చిన కొంతమంది పెద్ద మనుషులు they formed an organization to promote our culture, mainly to bring Telugu people on one stage. They formed Vegas Telugu Association 6 years back. Until 2012, we never had any positions, but we voluntarily took up all the positions. But in 2012, we had to. We wanted to give a formal structure to our organization because one, we were filing for a non-profit organization status, and then we took up our positions voluntarily. So where I'm going with this is we are not politically affiliated, or neither do we do it for money nor for the positions. We are just representing you. We are normal people like you. We paid the $40 to come in. So if anyone is interested in this, please you are welcome to join us. I'd like to leave. That is what I want to do. And big round of applause to our committee. Thank you. Straight away, I would like to go for a couple of small issues, and these are not a big issue. Participations and donations, and participation ఎట్లుంటుందంటే మన దగ్గర 10 సార్లు చెప్పినా కానీ ఎవరు రారండి. I'll tell you a small incident. What happens is within the budget, within the budget constraints we have, we try to put up lot of events. మన దగ్గర రిక్వెస్ట్ ఎట్లా వస్తుంది, మన దగ్గరికి మనీష్ శర్మ కానీ ఒక ఇళ్ళగా కాన్సర్ట్ చేయగలుగుతారా అని రిక్వెస్ట్ వస్తాయండి. We cannot do them, we cannot even afford them. We try to negotiate with them, but we cannot even afford with the budget constraints we have. So that is where the donations go to. If we can, maybe we can do it. P. Sushila and we couldn't even afford to pay $2,000 to her for getting her on the stage. And Avani Chesinta, we don't even know the participation will be all right. So that is one good thing. I mean, that is one issue we have here. Forget about these events. We have other issues like Manabadi and JPS program. To those who do not know about Manabadi, it's a wonderful curriculum for NRS students who are kids who are born and brought up here. We had Manabadi before. We conducted for 2 years, but lack of participation, we couldn't go forward. Here they were behind me to conduct a webinar. In June or 3 weeks ago, I put up on Facebook, emails, and can you guess how many people were there on the webinar? We have at least 120 families with 150 kids and only 2 people, me, Pani Gulpati and Priyatam Gorjala, and these were instructors. So lack of participation, we have a big problem here. And going forward, I hope with this you realize that and come up with participation and as well as donations for it. Apart from that, what we want to do is we would like to take, now that the stage is big, there are more families involved. We wanted to see if we can take it to the next level. We wanted to see, and then we don't have to go and do any social activity or social this thing, but what we wanted to see is there anything we can do which is affecting us. Like let's say there's a small program going on, gun control and moms involvement. And if you go to a website called momsdemandaction.org, it's very vague. But Sandy Hook Elementary, Texas Soldier incidents, we got a confirmation that no school is safe. But is there anything we can do for making sure our children are safe? Let's see. If you can come forward, if you want to do some programs, let us know, we'll do it. Similarly, we have anti-bullying information, school and local activities, debate on local issues and safety input, eating and living healthy, Akshaya Patra Foundation. These are all activities we want to go ahead with. But we want people to participate. What we want to do is someone to volunteer to do these activities and give us some information which we can share to the community. We have all mediums, we have Facebook, we have campaigner emails, we have websites, we can put it everywhere and we can help the community. That is where I was going with all these points. These points my committee could have మేము 6 o'clock 7 o'clock మెక్డానల్డ్స్ మీటింగ్ పెట్టుకుంటాము. పొద్దునే వచ్చి గన్ కంటారని చెప్పారు అనుకోండి, వీడని పొద్దునే 2 పెట్రోల్ కొట్టొచ్చారా అంటున్నారు. సో ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు టెల్ about these points to anyone. So I hope people mindset will change with this thing and they'll come participate and with both participation and donation as well. And couple of last points, This year has been very important for every Telugu person. Can someone guess why? Can someone guess why? Not because of Modi, because of a bifurcation. I know it's a very diplomatic issue I shouldn't be talking about, but from the Veda committee, I wanted to give a small message. I don't know, I should be politically right here, but let me talk about it. I'd like to let everyone know that let's not get into discussing about the past. Let's move forward, developing and helping the respective states. If we can do from our perspective in Jayalalitha, let us know. We'll go forward and we'll think about it. And Veda was formed on basis of spreading our culture, and I don't think it's any different in both the states. And we still speak the same language. Let's move forward and with the positive mindset. This year especially, we are coming forward with recognitions, and starting this year, Vegas Telugu Association is initiating a tradition to recognize and acknowledge the achievement of Telugu people living in the valley, both young and old, residing in Las Vegas, every year going forward from here. I would like to take a moment to thank the entire community, especially the senior community, and express our sincere gratitude for your continued support to this organization. Your support plays an important role in success of Veda. Although there are many individuals who fit these categories, we are going of the latest achievements. That doesn't mean we are disregarding or disrespecting anyone here. Since this is just the beginning, we want to make sure we reach out to everyone, every individual who are due for recognition in the valley. And as a part of this, we would like to recognize the Telugu person who excelled in their profession and achieved considerable significance that the state or city recognizes. Second, a Telugu person who has contributed towards the social cause, was involved in social work that affects one or many lives directly or indirectly. A Telugu person who helped our community here several different ways and put his heart out and out for all the events, whether it be Hindu temple or Friends of India, etc., or any organization in the valley, the community thinks is significance for recognition. So, with this, I'd like to call upon the first person, Anu Tummala garu, Dr. Anu Tummala garu. She has been chosen as 2014 AIMA International Finalist. She is an oncologist at Comprehensive Cancer Care of Nevada. I'd like to call, we have a small moment of our unit. And she has been, Tummala garu was also inducted into 10th Annual Women's Hall of Fame, which will be given on March 26, 2015. On behalf of Veda, we would like to congratulate you and wish you all the best for your future endeavors, Tummala garu. You want to speak up, of course? Are you ready? Go ahead.
Good evening, everyone. And honestly, I was caught unguarded. I was not prepared for this announcement today. But I would say that looks like what happens in Vegas may stay in Vegas, but looks like what happens in our Telugu community may not stay around. So thank you, and it's an honor and a pleasure to be recognized at this event. Thank you. I have to thank all my patients who have made this possible. Comprehensive Cancer Centers of Nevada, which is not far behind in the state of art for cancer care here in Nevada. We have state-of-art research, so I want to assure everyone that we have great treatment technologies here in Vegas. I also want to thank my husband Ram Tummala and my two kids Tarun and Nikita for bearing my long working hours to get to where we are, where I am. Thanks to the community, thanks to all of my friends for making this possible. Now, since I have so many of my Telugu members here, one take-home message would be, please take time to get your physicals, get time to get your mammograms, your colonoscopies done. For all the beautiful women, I know kids are important, I know husbands are even more important, but please take a minute to get your physicals done, because prevention with our using any of our preventive measures is a path to cure. Thank you very much.
The second person, I think Minandarki Nachtaledi. I'll tell about him first, later I'll call the person. Probably you can keep guessing until I let everyone know the name. He has been in the valley for over 10 years. This was out and out nominated by our committee ID, and he was due for recognition. He has been in the valley for over 10 years. He has been here when Veda was founded. He acted as a treasurer and committee member for Hindu Temple. He was a treasurer at Veda and still considered to be indirectly a treasurer for Veda. There we go. Vijay Checharla. Wherever Vijay Checharla is. This is a special recognition from our committee and the working committee and the executive committee. Can someone pull him onto the stage? Vijay Checharla, there we go. Please, a big round of applause. I'll tell you about it. After you are done, I'll tell you about his other commitment. Listen to this. He comes to every meeting and every Veda activity. He'll be the first person to arrive and last person to leave. Of course, on the birthday party, and he still takes up so many responsibilities, and we are thankful to him. We are very glad for recognizing him for his kind gestures towards the community. We would like to thank you for your work and you put forward for the community. Third and the last person, Neverman. Can you speak? Do you want to speak? Alright. Let me go. The last person. Pawan em adigarante veyinuda parhata chadivistavani Vijay adigaru. Alright. Last person I wanted we would like to recognize is Radha Rachandra Rajgaranti. Wherever she is, I'd like to call her onto the stage, please. Radha Rachandra Rajgaranti. She has been elected as a chairwoman for the Board of Trustees for Hindu Temple of Nevada. Radha Garu is the first lady who has stepped in Las Vegas 30 years back, and she has been helping and contributing the community through many activities through Hindu Temple. And I would like to request Radha Garu to come on the stage and speak few words, and we would like to thank you for what you are doing for the community.
Sorry, I want to take this opportunity. Basically, I just didn't say anything about himself, but he is a very good hard worker. He did a lot for Veda, for organizing the program and organizing the people to come together and do this big event. So we have to give a big applause to Hari. Please
wants to speak up about it.
Okay. Good evening, everybody. Namaskaram to all of you. It was wonderful to see the show here today. The little kids and their efforts and the parents and the hard work that went into it is truly commendable, and I want to commend the parents and the organization for taking the time and effort to preserve our Telugu culture and traditions. India, as we all know, is full of diverse religions, language, culture, and tradition. But the beauty of India is that there is unity in our diversity, and we saw that here tonight. There was Telugu classical dances, music, mixed with Bollywood, and it was a beautiful show. And the reason I'm here tonight is to tell you that sadly, that unity and that beauty is missing from our temple. A lot of you have stopped coming to the temple. The reasons may be many, but it is my humble request to you to put all those reasons behind you and start coming to the temple. It is your temple and it needs you. We want to bring a lot of changes in the temple. We want to start a speaker series where we invite scholars to give discourses on Hindu religion and philosophy. We want to start programs to engage our teenagers and young adults. We want it to be a place where they want to go and not a place where their parents drag them to attend some religious ceremony. And we cannot bring these changes without your help. I can't do it alone. The small group that is the committee cannot do it alone. We need each of you to bring your ideas and your thoughts to make this temple a beautiful place that blends the various cultures and diverse talents of all ethnic groups in India. So thank you, and I hope to see more of you at the temple.
Thank you, Radha Garu. Thanks for all your help, guys, and we appreciate your help and all that you do for the community. Thanks again. Big round of applause, please, last time. And thank you, everyone. We'd like to thank you. And next program we're going to call, we'll continue with our program. We have a special guest here. We have Dr. Gali Garnarandi. We'd like to call upon Dr. Dr. Gali from Bali.
Gali from Bali. Gali from Bali.